Well, guys, after a few drives, kept getting a random cylinder misfire. And it was moving around the motor. Swap plug wires around, it would stop on one, come back up on another one. So today I went and got a cheap set of plug wires, and this is what I found. If it'll zoom in. There we go. If it'll zoom in, there we go. Yeah, that's what I found on the spark plugs that came out of it. Assuming these things had been in there a while. Was the same for each of them, all 6. But changed them. The misfire should go away. New plugs, new wires. That's the only thing I really ran into with it after getting it in. We've put about 80 miles on it, so let's go take it for another test drive again.